Alright, so it's been running just for a little bit. I did retighten this down. It seems to be holding well. We do have our temperature of our engine right there. Everything looks fine. This is the heat up cycle, so the RPMs are a little loud, a little high just because of it, but our engine temp is doing good. It's not getting super hot. That's in Celsius. Still no leaks. That's good. That's good. No leaks there. And no leaks there. The oil's fine. Up to 56. I think at about 60 is when the RPM should drop. That's when the heat cycle finishes. Still no leaks, so yeah, so I would call that a success. Full install. Did have some issues. Ooh, kind of loud. Sorry. So I would call it a successful install. I did have some issues, but it looks like it worked itself out. Yeah, just I would be super careful with torquing these down. It is aluminum frame, so just be aware of that. Yeah, no oil, that's good. This always kind of weirds me out as there's oil in there from the window. But yeah, it looks like it did pretty well. So we do have a few things in the works right now that we'll be doing. It's a big bore kit, might as well say it. It is a big bore kit. I'm going to go with the Koso 170. It's going to be my first big bore kit that I've ever installed, so it should be really fun. So thanks for following along, and hopefully we have another video out for y'all shortly.
Alright, so we're going to test out this oil cooler, make sure it doesn't leak. I'm just going to cruise around for a little bit. Get the temperature nice and heated up. So that bolt looks like it's doing fine, but again, you know, we'll ride around for a little bit and really get a good judge of if it's leaking too much. I have flipped my mirrors up, which now I can see behind me a lot easier, so that's been really fun. It's definitely a chillier day today, I think. I think it's only like 80 degrees. So this might not be the best day to test the cooling capabilities, but at least I can test to see if it's actually functioning a little bit and not leaking. I might go with a different brand oil cooler if this is still going to be the thing. The good thing is I already have the mounts and everything set up. All I would need to do is really swap out the oil cooler. You know, feed oil into it and then be on my way, kind of thing. Yep, still no oil. It's really shiny, but no oil. That's awesome. Awesome so far. There's my low idle. So it's at operating temperature right now, which is really great. This one, no oil leaks on this one either. Make sure down here, nothing. A little bit on that one. Okay. Just a little bit. It's nothing to be worried about right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go up to the store up here. It's probably a mile up. So head up here and see if that leak is any more prominent. Don't really worry about anything. Plus, it's not even it's chilly day. All right. Let's see. Well, I don't see an oil leak. I think that might have just been residual, which is great. I mean, I don't know. I don't see any. That's the kind of the thing. I keep wiping and I'm getting a little smidge, but that could just be condensation. Make sure that my oil level is good. I think I need oil. I might have to add more oil. That's staying on nice. That's staying on nice. Again, no leaking. But, thanks for tuning in. It looks like everything's working pretty well. Like I said, I will be doing a 170 big bore kit. So that is in the works. Once I get everything situated. And I will keep everyone up to date on if this leaks at all. Looks fine. Oh, no, we do have a leak over here. Yep, it's still leaking. Okay. Yep, so we're gonna have to go get another oil cooler. That sucks. It is definitely leaking. Yeah, it's definitely leaking. Look at that.